How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. If you have posted a story like I have right over here on the top, you can tap on that and you can see your story. Now, if you go to the bottom left-hand side, you can see that there is a list of viewers right over here. Now, you can see that right at the bottom, it says others, and there's a 1. Now, if you tap on the little question mark on the right-hand side, it says, since this story is public, people you're not friends with can also see it. You can change your story settings anytime. Now, basically what this means is that anybody that is on Facebook can see your story, whether they're your friend or not. So it's showing your friends, and it's now showing you that you have one person that is not your friend. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out of this story and we're going to go up to the profile picture on the top right hand side of the screen. Now, once you go in here, you're going to look for settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy, you're going to go into the settings tab. Now, it may be slightly different if you're using an older version of Facebook or if you're using something other than an Android device. But you can get into your settings and privacy, and you're going to go all the way to the bottom and you're going to locate audience and visibility. That is the heading we're looking for, and we're looking for stories. Now, once you get into stories, you can see all of your story privacy and details. So right at the top, it says story privacy, and right now it's set to public. Now, what it basically means is literally everybody on Facebook as well as off of Facebook can see your story. So from here, you're going to go all the way down to the last option, and it says specific friends. Now, once you tap on specific friends, it'll actually open up the list of friends that can actually see your story. And what we're going to do over here is when you swipe to the left hand side, now it may be disabled on some devices, but once you swipe your finger to the left hand side, it's going to show you a list of people that are not your friend list that will be able to see your story. And once you have done that, you can now see all of those people. If you go back now to your story, as you tap on that, if you see the other right at the bottom over there, that is the person that you will see, or those are the people that you will see. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more helpful tips, you can go ahead and click on this video. We'll see you on the other side. Cheers.